Hey guys, welcome back. I'm fully back on comedy compilation videos, and if you're just coming on for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video. As you watch it, please like it. Comedy video is a very hilarious one, and you're not going to miss it. Watch this comedy and enjoy.
My son, what did you say is your problem?
Baba, I need a disappearing charm. Something that can make me disappear if somebody that I'm owing is looking for me.
It's a small thing. I have it here. Take.
You joking?
There's a powder inside.
Okay.
You rub it on your palm, on your face, clap your hand and disappear.
Chop and disappear.
Just like that.
Bam.
Thank you. Madam the madam.
Customer, you're welcome.
Do you have food?
Yes, I have.
Please, I need
Upon
white
all the
rice
jam.
with some pieces of meat
Upon
and very
all the
chilled coke.
jam.
Okay, don't worry. Sit down. I'll bring
There is
it.
nothing you can use it for apart from eating food. These guys are actually wasting money. They are wasting resources. Instead for you to go to big boutique and perform your magic there. No. Let's see how it goes.
It's very small. This food won't be sufficient for me. Bring another plate like this. Make it two.
Okay.
If you have to pay, are you going to buy more than this? Answer.
Thank you very much.
I did not my head, but I know barrister, no they go come.
Few months later, a few moments later, I mean, magic preparing. I need my own. No, someone should please help me with one. I need one papa to help me.
Jesus.
What is my way there? Buy my food now.
Otila.
God have mercy upon us.
Wow.
This man is actually
This is
committing atrocity.
sanatorium. You see, I had a lot of fun with you last night.
I enjoyed it too, but guy, you understand now? I need my money now. Guy, I got another parole I want to know.
That's my problem. Quickly call your account number. Let me transfer your money.
219 758.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have a call. Let me quickly take it. I'll get back to you. Just hold on.
Don't allow him go. This man. I know a lot of you are wishing, had it been I have this charm, I would have become a millionaire by now. No. Honestly, the charm really, but the end will not be good though. All this kind of charm.
You don't know.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ! Where is this guy? Where is he? Oh my God, my money! Where did he go to?
My
Instead of you to start talking about your life, you're contemplating, deliberating, crying about your money. This man is finished. That guy is finished. I mean,
my brother, please. How much is everything?
Sir, your bill is at 870,000.
870,000.
Yes, sir.
Thief.
You know what? Bring the bill and extra water.
Okay.
So I can pay. Just bring water with the bill.
Okay.
I'm robber.
bam, he don't bust. Don't bust. Yeah? Yawa.
You look cockroachinous, gentle, and decorous.
Thank you.
You see, I would have loved to have your number
Because
so that we
of
can deal
woman.
later, but my phone is not here.
That's no problem. I have a pen here. Do you have a piece of paper so I can write my number for you?
Oh, that's fine. Let me see if I have a piece of paper. Wow. Just write the number here.
This man is. What do we call him? Someone should give him a name.
You joking?
Because of the woman.
I'll give you a call,
No problem.
You suddenly forgot what is inside the paper.
I'm robber.
Look at the paper.
Hey.
Sir, your bill is 870,000. Does this water 875,000?
Jesus.
So are you paying? POS, cash, or transfer?
You not only wash plate.
Gaga to gaga.
You will wash plate. In fact,
I paid for all this room.
you will be beaten.
Let's just do it. I've been begging you since yesterday night.
I don't want to do it. All of you that is me. I don't trust you guys. I don't trust you people. You like to talk.
My baby. See, I'm a entitled man. Respect my car. If you cannot respect me, respect my red cap.
You with your red cap, man, I don't trust you people.
See, I'm very
This
much.
easy.
Am I a baby? Baby. That's like what you be checking. Stop now, eh? Let's just do. Okay. Let me just rub the oil. Let it just rub the oil. I will not put it in. Let it just rub the oil. I'm okay.
Oil.
Your mouth shut up. You agree? You agree? You agree?
Oh, they don't deceive this one. They are actually to do that.
I swear you're surprised.
Some girls are very easy to catch.
In this life, you don't go to the
What's up? Ubonge.
I'm coming. Let me go to the bedroom and wash up.
Watching TV.
Hello guys, we have Chief Pino on seat today to talk about the current situation of the country and the economy in general.
No, that's not why we are here. Let me chip something. Do you know all these small girls, 18, 19-year-olds?
Really, nigga?
They're very, very energetic. Those ones that are from like 20. How do they get like this?
Not be juju be that.
Oh, Stephanie.
Say what are they hearing?
Please, where's the editor? Please, if you are playing this clip, put a picture. Let people see her.
Jesus.
Because that girl is very, very, very good. You understand?
On, he has already knocked the hell out of
my
you.
episode. Jesus Christ. Shift for me, shift. Hey. You see I went to. It's nice. See, if I'm bringing it, she's bringing it. It's always having on the air. This boy is not good. You know that boy does not edit because before these lines now, I've been saying things, but he edited it off.
Blood of Jesus, see my head.
Bro, no. Kiss and tell, man.
Wherever you are, thank you very much.
Jesus.
Anyway, that one is their own place. Let's finish up our own. There's one more.
It's okay.
My baby, you know you are my only Ife.
I think that girl is actually in hot seat.
My darling. You know I love you very much. I can take you to USA with me. Everywhere I want to go, USA, Germany, Japan.
So this is where you are, sis.
This man.
Girl. This girl, look at her. What does she have that I don't have?
Baby, please don't say that. In fact, let me show you what she have and you don't have.
Let's see. The Bololo actually like a cigar. How come the head likes cigar? I think this other one will like.
Baby, let me once again.
How we bump. The back one will actually bump out.
Wow, congrats.
Thank you.
Congratulations, my guy.
Thank you. I know say you go happy for me.
When did you buy the car?
And yesterday morning I buy them. They say you arrive. I order like.
Are you sure this guy is telling
1, 2,
the
3
truth?
then.
For Nigeria.
No, not be for Nigeria here, now from US.
Somebody always begging
More
1K.
autos. Now more autos now.
Now
Yes,
talking
now the same more
about
autos we just
buying
now
a
use buy
car.
a car. You know, so these people that they deal on luxury cars. And they go they affordable. Now my
Let's see
worry
if he's
that
not going to ask for
people
1,000
sell luxury
naira
motor
again.
and they will come they so affordable. And the whole clearing and everything, the one I will just do the agreement. Want to fiat. They don't ship and come Nigeria.
Yeah. That's how
Very
amazing
As in luxury cars, you know, be like all these car stand. No, be so papa injury job. Man, no talk about papa injury motor. You go buy motor for one car stand like that. Motor will be say if you open the door. Dog go they ask you a question. You close the door, dog go they cough. You want start motor go they laugh you.
Congrats.
As in nah good. Thank you. So the car park for my area like this. I just dey look and like this. Fine, hey, come out for my motor. I bet no verse. I dey shout for children where they do yard.
I understand.
You fit buy motor?
And Philip is a very bad person.
No verse.
He's used to play along.
Daddy, shout for. They want to stain my fine car.
Sorry.
Car clean, it neat. Everywhere y'all they shine. Straight from US. So that papa fit buy motor.
So it's parked in front of your house.
The car park like this. I dey look at. I say for am now I quick buy am.
You're smart. Smart.
So I don't know. I know what may anybody know. You know, say my close friend. Now why I dey tell you. So I know what may anybody know. I don't buy car. Yes. So I won't drive
I
and
just
come
laugh
your side.
you.
Can't celebrate. You can't buy you drink.
You can start coming.
Now fuel be my problem like this.
Yo,
You know, if I
got
don't
a
buy
car,
car, normally I
fuel
with
is
my
a
friend. It's
problem. You are
so
not
into my
my
life.
saint.
Fuel.
Alright.
So at least you go feel sense something for fuel. My own drive come. Go can celebrate.
Okay. Let
You go send me money for fuel?
Yeah.
My call account?
Yes.
00 9. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. When I call you back?
Which motor you buy?
The winch where you chop. I'm not sure whether you go die better.
The neighbor has actually spoiled everything for him. And honestly, and this time around, I think he's going to get good luck from Philip. Philip was already going to send him the money for fuel, but now all spoiled it.
You don't know. Now you know you're my word. I tell you, say wait till 7 days. You 48 hours never reach. You don't go fight now. They cut you. They come warn me for my. When I call your shura, now so my no complete. When I call your shura, don't cut your hands. You carry wood. I carry wood, Abi.
Our community doctor is running out of his time. Say you are powerful. Now don't talk with your power now. Why running away? For ordinary stranger.
Where be this?
Or customer.
Kidnappers, fuck. Hey, wake up, Joe. Wait. Stand up. Kidnappers, shh.
My love.
Who be your love, you man? Come on, friend, Joe. Kidnappers. Just shut up and find a way.
They are not kidnappers. This is my home.
This is your home.
Yes.
So how the fuck did I get into your home?
We met at the club. We fell in love. And you followed me home.
I followed you home. You didn't why? The woman I met at the club, she told me that she's rich. She have Lambo, Ferrari, and
I know what's happening. She's watching me from her camera. Madam, yeah, it's true. I'm not a gold digger. I'm a
Wake up from your slumber.
I just want to connect people in the club.
Wake up.
Can you come out now? Can we go to your house?
I am the woman.
I reject you in Jesus' name. Ma, please come outside. For my own good, please.
Anytime I'm high at the club, I talk about my bright future.
Come on your head first. Come on your head first before I give you a book. The bright future you carry me come here. I swear to God, no man see your future no go bright.
You go bright.
I say you no go bright. You be mumu. Wait, since we are both broke, who pay for the 3 Casamigos and Wanzu?
You paid.
Be serious, Joe. Who pay for the 3 Casamigos and Wanzu?
You paid.
I pay for the 3 Casamigos and Wanzu. Hey! Where's my food? My Bitcoin. Yeah. Where's all my Bitcoin?
You traded with KSB Tech.
Oh.
You know they're very fast.
Yeah, I know.
They sent you the money and you transferred to the club owner.
KSB Tech. And I transferred to the club owner to pay for the Casamigos that you this way you order. You this way you order. I can start afresh.
Shank has landed in 2020.
Where are we now so I can order right and go?
The heart of Ikorodu.
Where Ikorodu? Yeah! Ikorodu get out. From Lekki to Ikorodu, you used me do road trip.
How come from Lekki got a girl straight to Ikorodu when you find yourself in Ikorodu? How come? You are not completed duty.
Thief? What be this? What be this? Is that not my clothes?
Meet my son, Bright.
You didn't want? Your papa, peace. Bring my clothes out with it. Daddy.
And Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
Wait, oh. So now you dey knock my babe.
I don't knock your babe. Now your babe knock me.
Now you knock him. You. After today, you no go look another person, babe.
Why now?
Scorpion.
Daddy. Scorpion?
Come on in eye.
Baby Curtis. Mark me man.
Did I just say baby Curtis? It's actually baby Curtis. Wow, I really don't understand this comedy. I think someone should please help me explain.
This is from your head.
Help me explain. It's a very short one from Father DMW. I don't understand it.
Baby sis.
Big bro.
How you doing?
I'm fine. Meet my friend HP.
You?
Your friend?
Yeah,
can never be my sister.
Sharing. You know I'm your big brother. You can always tell me the truth. Who be this boy?
Let's have it.
He's my boyfriend.
Always tell me the truth, my love.
Why did they worry you or go kill you?
But from today, they wash your back. Anywhere they go, they wash your back.
Yeah, let go. Go. HK. Go see this change, bro.
Baby fresh. Your problem. They for your back. And
this guy's over.
Baba, now last one will be this.
The guy is actually monitoring me like crazy. Ah!
Waiting the happen, sir.
That guy, I'm getting shit.
Babe.
Is your brother around?
No, why?
Okay, good. Please, I just want to tell you that I'm done with this relationship. I'm big.
Huh? Wait, what?
I don't tire.
Please let me go,
Jesus.
please.
No, that way they so. Now cut now you join.
Ah, this relationship is like false. Ah, you have entered the wrong relationship. Tormenting everything. Torment. Degeneral.
Hey! Mess up, bro. Mess up. Hey! What's going on here?
What is wrong with you? And why are you holding
I told you one
pizzas?
thing. Cheating is not easy.
Oh! I knew you were
Big
coming, so I
stress.
set my man up.
Oh, where? You knew I was coming.
You?
Babe. Let's go to your room.
My room?
Yes, your room.
Yeah, sure, let's go. Let's go!
He's actually risking it. Hoping God will save him.
Leave me. Why you so hyper like this?
You take for coming bitters, you know go hyper.
And he started misbehaving so that the girl will change their mind to be like, I'm going. I don't go do it. Did you see that?
Hey!
And someone is already in that room. I didn't think the girl go. I didn't think the girl go.
I'm going to do my nails. Bye.
You see, he has changed her mind. And he's very happy. His mind is like, thank God the girl did not go inside that room.
Osasu, you don't believe what happened now. I walk past that surprise side. I meet one girl, she said she need my help. Now I give her my last card. Now 500 naira, sha. Because say the girl fine.
Sensation.
I don't understand those people they do prank for Facebook. Guess what? She credits me 100k. 100,000 naira. My life don't change, Osasu.
100k, your life don't
Today,
change.
if you not there again today, if you go tomorrow, she will not come there. I will try my luck tomorrow. Where they but the whole so one more. Now she go be that. Good morning.
Who is this one?
Yes, can I help you?
Now you are going to ask now because you look worried.
I better get out. Hello, babe, who are you now? I've been waiting here for hours.
Today not be good day. I'll try again tomorrow. I must see that girl with the share that money. She go give me her own.
We must try.
My picking. I beg, come. I need your help.
Just not be shit. These guys are so good, man. So
Let's have it. Let's have it.
what on, man?
My picking. I beg, I dey go front. I don't tire. Help me carry my load.
Okay. No one, I'm small thing.
No, not be this one.
Which one?
No, that one.
This
Bag
of cement. No one, I go help you.
I don't think this is actually going to end well for Wheezy. It's going to end in a very angry manner. Like Wheezy is going to be angry with you.
Mama, you know the rich way would they go?
My picking, you don't try. When we still dey go, you still dey front.
You don't almost come out for Lagos. Make this reward big.
Wheezy actually has strength. You see the way
Mama, you know the business of this place far like this now.
he fed that
My
red bag
picking,
on
you don't
his head.
try. Your mama train you well.
This one be you don't try. Why you say no enter transport?
My money finish, my picking.
Welcome to Ogun State.
My picking, thank you. You don't try. My children go come carry all these things. Bye bye,
Bye bye. Yes. You don't go show me love.
My picking, I love you.
Which can't be that one? From Lekki to Ogun State, now 17 hours by leg. Now I love you, I go chop. Come and find me something, I beg.
Wheezy actually
Waiting, I go come find you now.
left Edo State for Ogun State to have this
Head of
conversation.
fish.
You will always be the head.
How?
Wheezy.
Oh, good. Thank God I saw you at your gate.
Oh!
Jesus.
See what?
Blood of Jesus. Oh shit!
Let's see who is this guy to him.
Hello, Mr. Cone.
Hello, sir.
Yes, how are you?
Very fine, sir.
All right, I have a contract for you worth 20 million naira. Wow. And please don't mess with this particular contract.
Trust me, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll be at your home very soon so that we could sign the document and
20 million naira gone
right,
like that?
have a nice day.
That is impossible.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey! This is very bad. Who is this bouncer? Where is he from? Which planet is he from? Hi! If I were the guy, I would have just like, I don't even know what to do.
For us not to have problem, gum this paper for it to look neat.
Okay.
And bring it to me inside.
The guy is so weak. He can't even do anything.
Consuming fire, oh come on.
If he decided to do something, I think he will just use his bare hand to finish this bouncer. And the bouncer is like, I've done a great job. I've done the best job so far. Meanwhile, he just did rubbish.
Mommy, don't
Oh my God.
Edit. Shaman. How many months did this with the whole light? They have been owing for the past 5 years now. They never pay. 5 years? I didn't cut down today.
They never pay.
I beg my who put my light? I beg, please look put them. Help me beg them. Okay.
Shaman. Now mama, mo your pity them, mo live on.
Now last one will be this. Mama.
Thank you, my son. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Pardon. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I don't want to make it kind of for 5 years I've not had light and I never man. I didn't even have sense.
Mama, please, when I come back, she won't leave me.
Hey, my daughter, please don't go. Please don't go. My son has a bright future. He make sure 5 years. He can never make it, man. My daughter, please don't go.
The lesson is not going to be nice at all.
But they ask you, what to make you do with this kind of thing?
He shock you.
Let's go.
No rap him.
Jesus.
Oh, yeah, reason.
Jesus!
He actually pulled off the transformer. They're not going to see like in fact, for that notice.
My boss. Nasty. My boss.
You are way back.
Lagos is a beautiful place, you know. With the 2 million naira you said you have in your account, if you focus and concentrate, you become a billionaire.
So nasty. Focus is all you need, though. Once you focus like that.
Someone they asked to focus. Shake it.
No, you're let them.
What's up, fine girl?
Hello.
My bad.
You never see anything.
What be this? My name is Emmanuel.
My name is Tessie Fancy Cream de la Cream.
Just introduction and debit alert coming in.
Jesus.
You have 1 minute remaining.
I'm sorry, where do you stay?
I stay in Lekki.
Lekki. Jesus. I'm sorry, can I?
Sorry?
I say
I cannot hear you.
Oh, Nancy Black.
Yes, sir.
I cannot hear you.
Hey, sexy. Do you mind if I pay for your drink?
Oh my God.
I don't
2
know.
million naira off. So just introduction. And introduction is not even going to back.
No. I think he works here.
Jesus!
After collecting 2 million.
Jesus!
I don't have money. That's why they're
After collecting 2 million.
If you don't make a
You are just a 2 million naira rich. Someone who has billions of naira, you want to come and play with them.
Miko, it's not me. Miko, me, Mobo, she did mistake in it. Miko, Mopa, I did not know.
You have killed somebody's son.
I don't know. Wala, enjoy. Please, Uncle, hey.
Hello, DPO. Oh yeah, man, they come over the Coco Street. They don't keep person for that White House. Yes, I did there.
2 million.
Ha! It's okay.
2 million naira. 2 million. Cash. 2 million, please.
Oh yeah. I will not say anything.
Come on, help me pack. Please. Bring the phone, bring it.
You be mumu.
Freeze!
This man, police.
Thank God you came at right. What's going on here? He has killed my house.
Please, so I swear to God, I'm not the one that killed him. I just came here and say I can't do my own job. Now she said this woman.
Own job.
This person I put my blood on this Esther. She's the one that killed him.
Shut up! Wait, what are you doing here in the first place?
I came here to do my own job.
What job is that?
With a knife.
No.
I'm robber.
Omo, that's why I enter here.
Take out here. Take out. Honestly, you are accused of murder. You are accused of murder and robbery. We went to rob at the same time. In fact, the day was so bad.
This your tomato is fresh, yo. How you dey sell it? 4,000. Okay. Oh, give me pieces. Hello.
Hello, bros.
Alpha.
I don't enter Lagos, so I haven't done real estate like this.
Oh, you have reached the estate.
Ajay.
My house is number 4. Number 4. My wife dey house. Hey, she go open door for you.
Okay.
This guy is actually moving forward, honestly.
Hey, what do you
say? With MC Lively. It's actually big.
Yes, who's that?
Big growth.
Who's there? I'm coming. Yeah. Do I know you?
You don't know me?
Who, please?
Sorry, who are you?
Okay, I'm your husband, brother.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're welcome. Please come inside.
Let me carry the bag.
Are you whining yourself?
Excuse me.
Never mind.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you.
Why you come small like that now? You don't put the jara. You don't put the jara where? Hello, baby.
Your brother is here.
Okay, you have seen my brother. You know I tell you now, I just want to do 2 weeks. Mass.
2 weeks?
Okay, we do 1 week. 1 week.
Oh, God.
Babe, you know I don't like this thing.
Oh, you have 5 days.
You know I'm not comfortable with this.
I'm sorry. I'll buy you pepper.
Hey, madam.
From the look of things, I think she's the owner
There's
of the
no food in
house.
this house. You can call your brother and sort it out.
I know that's not. That's what I do for this Lagos.
Okay.
Why would I go there as well if we don't go there? Are you a funny show?
Excuse me, you have no right to insult me. Please don't insult me.
Look, I don't insult you. Madam, not be good wife material be this. So, ask my brother. My mama for village, they cook 3 food like this at once.
I told you already, there's no food in this house. You can call your brother and sort yourself out.
I call my brother. You know what happen? If you not go cook for this house like this, I dare my brother come. They come up for this house.
Are you playing?
What did you say?
Run.
I say my brother enter this house and you never cook. I dare they come up for this house.
You know what? I'm done.
The guy actually don't understand what she meant by I'm done. She will say, who is this one? I know you'll be thinking the girl is actually leaving, not knowing that something is actually happening here.
What's going on here?
Honey, what is it?
God have mercy upon us.
Honey, Talkless, what do you call?
Bros, have you not seen this your girl?
Who be there?
Oh wait, sorry, your wife. I said make she cook. She said she no dey cook. Bros, this girl no be good wife o. I go bring where I come from village.
Why you say make she cook?
Bro, why would they tell me your wife cook when she say she dey go house?
This is playing.
Now no, they come out in house.
I don't die, my friend.
Reset you.
Come on, now she be the husband.
Honey, I'm sorry. Honey, wait, let me explain. Yeah, something. Hey, I'm sorry. Let me explain.
But wait, why she go dey carry her bag dey go?
Now my bag. Now me get the bag. Talkless. You have not even reached 1 hour. You have already chased me away from my house.
But why you not update us for village? You know you get house now.
Wait, I update you. Say, wait, somebody to buy the house. You see, make an only help family member, but I say no.
Must he say before you treat the woman
and
right?
I suspect Iyasikiru. Iyasikiru follow me from village. So come
This
and
is actually
take me out
happening
of my
in many
house
homes.
in Lagos.
No
So many homes.
Are you?
What do you say? Can you be waiting? Can you be waiting?
Madam say that they make noise.
Wife wey man dey manage. Him brother come na come put her son down.
Jesus.
Wife wey dey manage man. Him brother come na come put her son down. I think the girl is just like allowing the brother to because he loves him.
It's all over.
And even got married. Maybe she has not even gotten married. Brother started.
God.
This is where they are landed themselves into.
So where will they go now? And I've even buy a tarot.
Boss. I be think say mo go cook am for village.
Are you whining yourself?
Where we go with?
I can't stop laughing, man. So hilarious comedy from Talkless.
Meet my friends. That's Degeneral.
Nice to meet you.
This Badman Dead.
Nice to meet you.
Just feel relaxed for that side.
Alright.
My money! Later. Have a sing. Let me buy black bullet. How about dinner? I had this thing, me and my friends.
Look at this apple.
Your blood,
Oh my God.
Oh, now they follow you here. I they look on and I'm going to do now. Lord, Musifa aside. No, you're Musifa. Come Musifa. I want to talk. Well, how after they pay with you now? Musifa aside first now. Which kind of this one set now? What is up? Which kind of setting be that one now, chairman? You do that say no the broke code. This is bring woman call this house. Do that, you do that. I don't come outside. Come outside, no come outside. I don't look you now. Don't get side yes.
If I'm getting it right, like
so you want to sit down for here? Broke code they talk about. You dey behave very rude for this.
He actually brought in these girls so that they can.
Very useless person for this house. If you bring person come.
And this guy is actually pretending as if he knows nothing is going to happen. Like doesn't know what is about to happen. And SK is angry about that.
And they do bad things.
Bro, code, let it activate.
I don't look now. I don't do this for eye. I don't look now. I said, what do this for eye? I don't look now. What's it happen at there? This one you don't look one.
Shall be ashamed.
When I do it to now, I go look inside now.
They go my side. Come on, they go my side.
If my girl no come get where she dey stay now, I for stay go.
Let's go to another location and mark in peace.
You don't behave like wish for this place. And I swear to God, they're on a very good day.
The guy is actually a bad
They enjoy you for grand.
And he knew what was about to happen. What SK was up to. He doesn't want to allow it to happen.
You behave yourself. You see me when I carry girl, I don't give you the bro code. Go outside, you don't go outside. When are you discuss that bro code? Go outside. Go outside.
Big
And SK is very angry.
I don't think they will be another swear hoot.
Wasiudbadguy.
I don't let you know. I don't think they will babe. I don't swear hoot.
Wasu. Where the baby you say you did 40?
Who be this guy?
You don't know Wasu the capital.
Oga, you wear condom for it. You know they see tools for man. You know since I be carpenter.
This guy carpenter.
You see I say shit this guy na carpenter. Oga, you know see tools for man. I just say I come here complain.
Taking it.
I think Oga only things where they spoil. I mean they knock him back to good condition. I mean they knock all his stuffs for him.
Yes.
You know how many things I don't fix for him furniture? Oga, don't make me vex now.
No wahala.
Oga, where the stuff where they 40 make I knock him back to?
Babe, please go and show him the bed, okay?
Now go they turn creative mindset.
Look at the way
you. The furniture game. You no go
SK Coco is looking at me.
They do interior design. If not to move the furniture house to let it
Voila.
Not to clean your house.
This one the guy was going inside. I hope all is well. I hope all is going
No,
to be
I'll
well.
patronize them later, but now Wasu the capital. I don't do my job since. You know
going
the
inside.
You know we start like this.
How be Tuesday ground yes so? I want to go to the knack inside.
Wasu!
What is this again?
Wasu is knocking.
Yeah, as you can see, A-class material is the best. Can you see their works are top notch?
Where is Wasu? Where did he wrong anybody?
Is that not Belzy's car? What's he doing here? He will see me here. I'll wait here.
Hey, I said it.
Here we go again.
So it's been only 2 months. 2 months we stopped talking, and you are here with another fair person. Who is she?
My ex-girlfriend.
Oh, I'm not your ex. Just stop talking now. Which one is I'm your ex?
Eh? Have you forgotten? You broke up with me. I mean, I've moved on. So you to move on.
Am I supposed to move on without you?
Spare me that. Babe, let's go, Jerry.
Go where? You have
What kind of clothes or jacket is there on?
Yes.
But guess the wear shirt, yeah. Can be shirt very small, like little.
This is not even my car.
Are you playing?
You see where I parked over there now?
What?
Who has the liver? The audacity to lose my tires.
She's the one, sir.
You?
Sir, I can explain.
You?
Yes, sir. Baby.
Run,
I can explain, sir. She's the work of the devil.
You have entered into trouble.
So devil came to lose my tire without telling me.
You were not around, sir.
I was not around, Quo. Have you slept in the guard room before?
Is that hotel, sir?
Hotel. But you have been there for 3 weeks. You understand? Amidu, to the booth.
Right, you gonna explain tire.
I come in peace. No, no, sir, go on police station say come in peace. They wrong, come in peace.
And they are coming in peace.
Jesus. Oh, what's in your here?
Jay! This fool is going to work with this. How do you really come us to good fight?
I don't want trouble. Cause madam, forget all these things. We're not like this fool. Okay. Both of us were very, very brutal.
You say what?
Yeah, don't move.
Jesus!
I'm on the guy is angry.
What?
I'm sorry for all of you. Come. I know that's what you buy for me.
No, sir, with deeper life person, I don't like violence, so I know buy real gun.
Think say they white.
You be deeper life and you be a robber.
Good president, 5 years, still counting.
What have I done myself? Bye.
Fuck off!
Makwa.
It's a little concentration.
He actually smiled to death. Let's see this one from President here.
Okay.
Do I know you?
Okay, the Dolans.
What?
You mean doing an adorness now? Now I'm not follow sit down for common entrance exam. You copy my name, join for your answer scripts.
Promise,
Abuchi.
You cover your mathematics, say make I no copy from you.
Yes.
Now you say make I go find my own S.
Yes, now. Where they go now? Race they go. More go now. More do some catch up.
Okay, you want the track they go?
You want enter boss?
I no find S, no miss, I no find money now. That's my car.
I lie. Wow. You're looking good though.
You expecting me to look bad before? What did they find here now?
I'm on my ass.
Your S?
For no reason, this girl just break up with me. I don't beg tire. Eh?
What's your S name?
Sandra.
What? Sandra, okay.
You know her?
Ah! Let me say I don't find your S, so. I mean, they date your S now.
Jesus. They date my S?
Yes.
I hope this ends well for you.
My S now, money you need.
I hope it ends well for you. What kind of stubborn goat is this?
Jesus Christ.
Have you ever seen a goat? Baby goat fighting its owner.
Don't spoil. It's okay. What do you do?
What's going on there? Don't grip for anybody's slogan.
Give her now.
How many rice? Wait, let me give you.
You go this crazy.
Hey, wait.
So Rukky, where the
He's walking towards he's walking by his slogan.
I just saw they come for my guy place. Now I come see one boy. The boy fall for corner, the boy they bleed, they shout F. Now I rush the boy, now I rush and go hospital. When we reach hospital, now Dr. Crity they confirm say na bullet wound. Now they call police. Doctor no even tell me say they call police. Now police people come. As police people come now, they come say we are testing the boy. Say what happen. Now I explain to them say I they come from my guy's side. Now I see the boy they bleed. I don't know say na bullet wound. Now I carry the boy go hospital. You never do finish. They tell me say I go follow the go station. I said that one want go station again. He say man I don't follow the talk. And the follow man they over the talk. They tell me say I know that's how they go do for station. The other one they pass it back. They come we handcuff. Now move come out for the hospital. They follow me up. They tell me say my call.
Who gave Rukky this shirt and the trousers?
Me where my address not the file for statements. I want some move. The other one they follow me.
You want to pray someone?
I want to pray someone will go.
Come, don't run. Nonsense. Love be like this. Oh, I think first timer, but I think this guy really do not even understand the flag, like the green flag. There was so much green flag, like, but he couldn't get it. Just look at how he expressed his own. Oh,
Click the link on my bio to use my code star 300.
you will never be wise.
Get 300% bonus on your first deposit.
Millennial.
Who police way? Why are you in the hospital today? Today is matinator. That's why I've come with my wife.
My wife, she's 2 months pregnant. That lie. 2 months pregnant.
See, pregnancy is a thing of joy. Doctor don't already show me say my own a boy. I go just name him Abraham.
Even doctor don't tell me say my own are twins. I go name them. I go name them Agkaay and Bobo.
Claro, Agkaay. Now press do it come. Come Charlie before me.
Charlie, yo ex. Mad guy.
Gen Z. Well, let me see the PO. 2024.
Babe.
And my wife be that now.
Oh, don't forget say I come your wedding. No be your baby D.
And my wife be that now. She just come back. She been travel go abroad, go do boob sleep, ass sleep, nose sleep. I do bust your head. She do her height. No say she don't wonder. She do liposuction now, but she still dey complain say her stomach big. So we dey reason whether we go comot her womb and all some of the intestines which she no dey use again.
And when she no come do the womb surgery for abroad.
Thank you. Now the doctors wey dey abroad now, dem talk say her partner gats dey with am, sign am, and I no come dey with am. The mumu agency wey I tell me dem book my flight, dem go book for one person, and only she gats travel now.
Why you say still dey use agents to do traveling abroad when you could have just used on board NG?
That one is for study abroad only now.
I know now. See, they help you book flight ticket, they do visa application. In fact, when you travel, when you reach there, they will still help you do hotel reservation. They no go make all these mistakes.
Abeg, that one don go jare. Wetin una come dey find for here?
Na my baby, you don't see. Do BBL, but few weeks later, I see say one part they soft, the other part they hard.
Na wetin my babe do before be that now. She don even upgrade do IBM.
Indian butt lift.
Yes now. She don tire for that one. She say that one don dey outdated. Na why we come here now say make we come do JBL.
Which one be JBL?
Jordan butt lift now. You never hear about that?
That one don dey?
Yes now. I even hear say for this hospital say they get one doctor wey just
JBL.
The guy sabi do the thing very well. So I go advise make una try run am. Make she run am so that she go set very well.
Na wetin we go do?
Hey. You know say we don plan to comot our womb now. Una no go born. Oh, come chop rice and baby. Born okay. You don't forget the agreement wey we sign. She say she no want any pikin wey go disfigure her. So we don agree say no child. Yes, we adopt. I know I like a male child, she like female. So we just adopt a boy that identifies as a girl. Yes. And everybody is happy. Smart. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna go do the JBL.
Let's go do the
Abunda they sing.
Exactly what is going on in 2024. Married men, this is how they behave, honestly.
Yes.
Let's see if we go to Banchai, Mr. Calculus.
You don't get any problem where you carry come here where we know they run am here.
Go! Anu broku de chonu.
Yes.
Gaga no gu. Ogun wa ichere dia. Anu gaga pi. Oh. Obasiri go yanko.
Oh yeah.
Hey, dey run man okay.
Ta.
Who it is?
Na the hype man, na the just hype man. One more time.
Oh.
And it's true, Native Doctor actually has a hype man.
Oh yeah.
They are the first people that invented this hype man thing, that started it in fact.
Yes. I saw why you here. Yes. But when you get some guys who, these guys they disturb me. Waiting I come here and protection. May you protect me from those guys. Those guys anywhere where I go, they go track me down. Those guys they get guns, they get all certain weapons. But Baba, I know say you now the only protector who go protect me.
Yeah. You never hear them. Thunder protector of the gods.
Yes.
Mwabali of the gods. Alternator. Radiator.
Yes.
Hey.
Radiator. Did I just hear
unless
radiator?
the gods protect you, In vain. Protest
Oh, but these people will not kill you with laughter.
Yeah.
You not hear am?
Yeah.
You better say we dey protect you than say you got
Pandomio.
Yeah.
Jabosi. Abito
Lagos na better
Cheka.
than barracks.
Hello?
Gabosh Kabas.
See, I know they feel una again.
Huh?
I say, if even though una like, una carry anything, una carry any weapon, I know they feel una. I dey with the gods now. The gods they protect me like this. Una won't come my location. Wait, man, share life location for una. Now they craze.
Master, which live location you want share?
Come on, now the live location be that. Do anything where you want to do.
Waiting.
Nonsense.
Which live location?
Now those guys, now they think say, as I don't come here now, una go protect me. Now here where I dey now, may they come so that we go strike them once. Nonsense.
My brother that to change location. No. This location don't cast. Blood, lose this thing. Can I here?
What thing they happen now?
Eh?
What thing they solve?
No, be you share this.
This guy is never a relative
don't cast
doctor.
them now.
And I wonder why people keep patronizing him, like going to him for help.
One belly of the ghost.
My brothers. Even one belly, they later command them for AFCON. You know if you protect Nigeria against Super Eagles.
Jesus.
Let's change location.
Master, one of the students done cash cocoa.
Wetin make am dey cash cocoa?
Sweetie, these children they too they catch cocoa. Give me money to make I buy a go-go. Impossible, go. Master, let's take him to the hospital too. For this ordinary small cocoa, now one kind person go hospital too. You are a heartless fellow. Why do you use a go-go to see the cash cocoa?
They no dey use grab they follow elderly people.
Why, master, make sure they respect young people. If not, you go turn them to cripple.
The guy actually confirmed me by. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this comedy video, and I believe you enjoyed this one. It's very hilarious one, starting to the ending, back to back, laughter and funny scene. I know you enjoyed it, and there is something I quickly want to say. No, a lot of you actually are not okay by this, commentary I'm adding on my videos, and I want to tell you that there is no way I can stop adding commentaries on, or reaction rather, on my comedy compilation. First of all, the comedy video is not mine. The videos are not mine. I have to compile it, gather it from different social media, just compile it and react, add commentaries to make it an original video. You understand? If I don't do all this kind of thing, if I don't react, if I don't add commentaries on it, it's not going to be legit. Like, YouTube will find it against their rules. So for that reason, I will not be monetized, or I will be banned out of YouTube, honestly. So a lot of you guys, I really don't blame you guys, like trying to tell me to stop talking, to stop laughing, to stop doing any form of reaction or any form of commentary on it. I don't blame you guys. I don't blame you guys, because I know you guys don't understand YouTube terms and conditions. So I am following YouTube terms and conditions. And I keep saying it, that my fans and my subscribers and viewers, they actually understand all these things. And I think they take me the way I am. They take me the way they see my comedy. So if you're not satisfied with it, please, I'm begging you, please, be cool, please, please, kindly go and find, or go and search these comedians individually. Watch their content individually on their page on YouTube. It's a very simple thing. By so doing, you have no commentary on it. There's not going to be any reaction on it. So do yourself good by searching for their comedy individually and watch it, instead of trying to make things difficult for me. This is my platform. This is my space, and anything I do here, I think if you really love me, or you love my comedy, you will like it and enjoy it. Watch the comedy with one heart and forget all this creation, forget all this commentary stuff. I can't stop doing it. I'm just telling you. If you are not okay by it, unsubscribe. Just click the unsubscribe button so you find your way. It's a very simple thing. But as for me and my fans that really love me, I want to say thank you guys. Thank you so much, and I will do my best to keep giving you the best viewing experience you've ever wanted, honestly. So guys, without further ado and without wasting any of your time, let's quickly dive into today's comedy. It's been long I uploaded comedy because I was so busy doing some things. I think I'm back. Let me say fully back. Yeah, I'm fully back right now, because there is no news on my other channel, and I'm not going to be stressing out myself, uploading news and at the same time trying to do comedy. I think a lot of people are coming in, writing their email, trying to apply for an editor space, something like that. So I think if I get one, it will be very easy for me. Doing comedy will be very easy for me. So guys, the funniest part of this comedy, I think almost everything is funny. I love this comedy. I love when Nasty Blaq was like, you went to city, if I'm not mistaken, you went to city, like someone called you there, like your friend called you, come oh, there's this business that you put 2 million and you get 20 million. Like you got there and you saw a woman, a lady to be precise, instead of you to just be focused according to that guy, take away your eyes from that lady because you saw Nyash and you lost control and you went to that girls and you don't know that all these big girls now money they follow them, and at the end of the day your 2 million, you've not even finished introducing yourself, you've already lost 2 million naira. What if you introduce yourself, finish, and you guys talked about going to an hotel or going to a hotel or going to have a date? That means you lose 50 million. As the Blaq, I pity for him, but at the same time I am not pitying for him. I'm not pitying for him. Yes. So, and I think I love this guy part where he was seen coming out from the bush, native doctor. I love the guy because he's acting his comedy with all his mind. He's just doing it with all his mind. He ran away from the bush and someone went there to do, is it not gun bullet or maybe something? I don't understand. Like, I've forgotten it. So, but at the end of the day, he told the guy, I told you to use this thing for 48 hours. It's not even up to 12. It's not even up to 48 hours. You have, in fact, this comedy, I love this comedy. I love this comedy. I honestly love the comedy. And I know you guys will be wondering why I added that woman and that little goat in this comedy compilation. I had to do it because I saw it and I could not even stop laughing. So I decided to bring it for you guys to see. Goat fighting its owner. Like, and they asked the woman, why is this goat fighting you? She said, it's because I didn't give it a rice. I didn't give it rice. Imagine. I think that goat is walking by the slogan of 2024. No grip for anybody. Wait, no grip for you. And actually, the goat don't want to be like, I'm a patient dog. I hate the fattest bone. No, as it is happening, let me get mine now. So I think the goat will actually get its shares. Honestly, a lot of scene. The first one is Barrister Titus. Barrister Titus actually did a perfect job there. The native doctor gave him the best charm ever, but he ruined everything by trying to approach a lady. Had it been even approached the lady, he would have succeeded in knocking her and at the end of the day disappearing. But just because of a lady, because of Nyash, the paper, the charm that is meant for you to use to disappear, you dust it out and use the paper to write number, just number. That guy, I think he's on serious, honestly. And at the end of the day, he's going to face a whole lot of hell, man. He's going to suffer. He's not only going to watch people because it's 800 and something thousand. Or more, he's going to do a lot of things. After they arrested him, he will serve prison, he will wash plates. In fact, life will tire him. Honestly, life will tire him. Wonderful comedy in this compilation. I settle down and arrange it for you guys, and I think you love it. Please don't forget to go without subscribing. If you just stumble upon this channel for the first time, subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also please share this video to all your social media platforms. Share it, please, to your friends, your loved ones, everyone out there, and also don't forget to like it. Like it. The more you keep liking the video, the more YouTube find it worthy to recommend to everyone out there, all its audience. So guys, we're going to see you guys on our next update. Have a wonderful time and stay tuned for our next banger. Have a wonderful time. Peace out.